Hi everyone, I'm Sir Ala and welcome to my online lecture in Basic Calculus. For this video, I'm going to teach you on how to find the antiderivatives of trigonometric functions. Okay, so trigonometric functions have 10 formulas in finding the integral or in finding the antiderivative of the given trigonometric functions. So, to start with, we have the integral of sine u du is equal to negative cosine u plus c. So familiarize that one. The integral of cosine u du is equal to positive sine u plus c. If we have the integral of secant square u du, that is equal to tangent u plus c. If we have the integral of cosecant square u du, that is equal to negative cotangent u plus c. If the given is the integral of secant u tangent u du, that is equal to secant u plus c. If we have the integral of cosecant u cotangent u du, that is equal to negative cosecant u plus c. If the given is the integral of tangent u du, that is equal to the ln of secant u plus c. If the given is the integral of cotangent u du, that is equal to ln of sine u plus c. If we have the integral of secant u du, that is equal to the ln of secant u plus tangent u plus c. If the given is the integral of cosecant u du, that is equal to ln of cosecant u minus cotangent u plus c. So these formulas must be familiar sa inyong sarili kasi iba-iba yung mga given na ibibigay ko sa inyo dito. So ang gagawin lang natin is i-apply lang natin yung mga formula na yan. So nakadepende sa given kung ano ba o alin bang formula dyan ang gagamitin natin. Okay, let's have a given example. So the given example is in the form of the integral of sine u du. So therefore, its antiderivative must be equal to negative cosine u plus c. So, di ba, u ang ginamit natin na variable sa ating formula. So, dito, maglelet tayo ng u. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, ang u ay laging nasa kung ano yung angle ng isang trigonometric function. Let's say, for example, we have the integral of sine x dx. Ang u natin is equal to x. Okay? So, therefore, our u is equal to x. So, di ba, nung una dun sa ating exponential rules, so ang ginagawa natin, kinukuha natin ang u and kinukuha din natin ang du. Ganito din ang gagawin natin sa trigonometric rules. So, we have u is equal to x and du is equal to dx. Okay? Since wala na tayong numerical coefficient na nakalagay dun sa harap ng dx, so wala tayong integrating factor na imumultiply. So, ibig sabihin, isa-substitute lang natin yung u sa x at saka dx, du sa dx. So, ibig sabihin, magiging integral of sine u du siya. And if we have the integral of sine u du, that is equal to negative cosine u plus c. Don't forget to write plus c. And then after that, para makuha natin yung final answer, so ang u ay papalitan lang natin ng x kasi yun yung value ng u. So we have negative cosine of x plus c. So therefore, the antiderivative of the sine x dx is equal to negative cosine x plus c. Another example, if we have a sine 3x dx, okay? So una natin gagawin is magle-let u tayo. So let u be equal to 3x. Bakit po 3x? It's because ito po yung angle na kinukuhanan ng sine. Okay? So, sine of 3x dx. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin natin ang derivative ng u. Ano ba ang derivative ng 3? 3x. So, that is 3. And it must be multiplied by dx. And now, meron na tayong 3 dito sa unahan ng dx. So, para mawala siya, gagawa tayo ng paraan para ma-remove siya by multiplying both sides by 1/3. Okay? Multiplying both sides by 1/3, makakancel natin yung 3. So, matitira na natin dito ay dx. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1/3 du is equal to dx. So, now, meron na tayong isa-substitute. So, ang ipapalit natin sa 3x ay u at ang ipapalit natin sa dx ay 1/3 du. Again, ang ipapalit natin sa 3x ay u at ang ipapalit natin sa dx ay 1/3 du. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon tayo ng integral of sine of u, okay, sine of u multiplied by 1/3 du. Okay? So now, meron tayong numerical coefficient sa du. So ibig sabihin, tatanggalin natin siya by tag dito, ililipat natin yung 1/3 dun sa labas. Okay? Kasi numerical coefficient pwede siyang ilabas. So we have 1/3, okay, 1/3 integral of sine u du. At alam natin na ang formula sa pagkuha ng integral of sine u du is equal to negative cosine u plus c. So we have 1/3 multiplied by negative cosine of u plus c. And finally, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng ating u. So magkakaroon tayo ng, so since ito ay negative, pag minultiply siya sa 1/3, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 1/3. And then we have cosine of 3x plus c. And this is our final answer. So again, una muna, nag-determine muna tayo ng u. And after that, kinuha natin ang du. So sa pagkuha ng du, nagkaroon tayo ng 3dx. So since may numerical coefficient yung dx, kailangan natin siyang i-remove by multiplying both sides by 1/3. So bakit sa 1/3? Para makancel si 3 dito. So 1/3, ito pong 1/3 nito, that is our integrating factor. So we have 1/3 du is equal to dx. So ibig sabihin, itong 3x sa ating original function ay pinalitan ko ng u at ang ating dx sa original function ay pinalitan ko ng 1/3 du. Nasaan ba yan? Ito po. 1/3 du. So since meron siyang numerical coefficient, pwede siyang ilabas sa integral. So we have 1/3 the integral of sine u du. So yung sine u du, ang formula niya ay negative cosine u plus c. So ibig sabihin, isa-substitute lang natin ang formula which is 1/3 times negative cosine u and then plus c. So since may negative dito and pwede siyang i-multiply dito sa numerical coefficient, positive ang numerical coefficient, naging negative. Gawa ng negative na to. And then kinopya ko lang si cosine and then sinubstitute ko lang kung ano ang value ng u which is 3x. And the answer is negative 1/3 cosine of 3x plus c. Next example. Letter C. So we have the integral of cosine 5x dx. So the first thing that we need to do is to determine our u. So ang u natin dito is 5x. Determining our du, that is equal to 5 dx. Okay? So now, meron tayong numerical coefficient na 5. To remove that, we will multiply it both sides by 1/5. Okay? By 1/5. So magkakaroon ako ng 1/5 du is equal to, cancel si 5, so I have dx na lang. So yung 5x dito sa ating original function ay papalitan ko ng u. And then mumultiplyan ko ng, ano ba yung dx natin? 1/5 du. Ay papalit ko sa dx is 1/5 du. And then after that, itong 1/5 na to ay ilalabas ko. So magkakaroon ako ng 1/5 integral of cosine u du. At alam ko, dito sa ating formula, na ang integral ng cosine u du ay sine u plus c. So titingnan natin yung formula. So that is equal to 1/5, okay, multiplied by sine u, okay, sine, okay, medyo naguguluhan ang ating eraser, okay? Ayan. So we have sine of u plus c. So ang gagawin lang natin ay substitute lang natin yung value ng u which is 5x. So magkakaroon tayo ng 1/5 sine of 5x plus c. And this is our antiderivative. So therefore, the antiderivative of cosine 5x dx is equal to 1/5 sine of 5x plus c. Next tayo, letter D. How about the secant squared 6x dx? Okay? So una muna is magle-let u muna tayo, syempre. So una muna, let u muna tayo. Ang u natin is kung ano ang nandito sa ating angle, which is 6x. In determining our du, that is equal to 6 dx. Okay? So since meron tayong 6 na numerical coefficient, ang gagawin natin ay mumultiply natin both sides by 1/6. Okay? So yung 1/6 na yun, that is our integrating factor. So we have 1/6 du is equal to dx na lang kasi na-cancel na to dito. So now, ang gagawin na lang natin, yung 6x ay papalitan mo ng u at ang dx ay papalitan mo ng 1/6 du. So mangyayari, magkakaroon tayo ng integral of secant square of u times ang dx natin ay 1/6 du. So yung 1/6 na to, ilalabas ko lang. So magkakaroon ako ng 1/6 integral of secant square u du. At alam natin, balikan natin ang mga list of formulas natin. Ang secant square u du, okay, secant square u du is equal to tangent u, okay, tangent u plus c. So papalitan lang natin siya ng tangent u plus c. So magkakaroon ako ng 1/6 multiplied by tangent u plus c. And after that, papalitan ko lang ng 6x ang ating u kasi ito yung nasa given natin, 6x. So that's 1/6 tangent of, okay, tangent of 6x plus c. So this is our, okay, this is our antiderivative. Next tayo, letter E. We have the integral of cosecant square 7x dx. First thing, let u. Our u is, very good, that is 7x. And then our du is equal to 7 dx. Okay? So yung 7 dx, meron siya numerical coefficient na 7. Tatanggalin natin siya by multiplying both sides by 1/7. Okay? 1/7. So ganun lang siya kadali. Pag 7 yan, edi sa 1/7 mo siya imumultiply. So I have 1/7 du is equal to dx na lang kasi na-cancel na to. And then after that, yung 7x ay papalitan ko ng u at ang dx ay papalitan ko ng 1/7 du. So magkakaroon ako ng integral of cosecant square of u multiplied by 1/7 du. After that, ilalabas ko si 1/7. So magkakaroon ako ng 1/7 cosecant square u. Okay, 1/7 integral of cosecant square u du. At balikan ulit natin ang formula sa cosecant square u du. At ang formula niya ay negative cotangent u plus c. So ibig sabihin, papalitan ko lang ng negative cotangent u plus c yung cosecant square u du. So I have 1/7 multiplied by negative cotangent u plus c. Okay? And after that, i-multiply ko muna siguro yung negative dito sa 1/7. So magkakaroon ako ng negative 1/7 kasi negative to. And then I have cotangent of, okay, so palitan ko na ang value ng u which is 7x, cotangent 7x plus c. And this is our antiderivative. Okay? Next tayo, letter F. We have the integral of secant 3x, tangent 3x dx. So as you can see, nasa pattern to ng secant u, tangent u du. So meron ka ng idea agad. Kasi alam mo na parehas lang yung value ng angle ng secant at saka tangent, which is 3x. So ibig sabihin, iisa lang ang u nyo, which is 3x. So the first step is to write or to let u be equal to 3x. Okay, 3x. And then get the derivative of u which is equal to 3 dx. After that, multiply natin siya by 1/3. Bakit sa 1/3? It's because ang numerical coefficient natin dito is 3, kaya 1/3. And then, makakancel to dito. So I have 1/3 du is equal to dx. So yung 3x natin ay papalitan natin ng u. At ang dx natin ay papalitan natin ng 1/3 du. So I have the integral of secant u tangent u multiplied by 1/3 du. So I will have si 1/3 ilalabas, magkakaroon ako ng 1/3 integral of secant u, okay, tangent u du. And sa formula natin, ang ibig sabihin or ang integral ng secant u tangent u du ay secant u plus c. So I have 1/3 secant u plus c. So I have 1/3 secant of, ano ba ang u na ginamit dito? 3x. And then plus c. So ito na po ang ating antiderivative. Okay? Next tayo, letter G. So if we have the integral of tangent 9x dx, una muna, let u. Lagi yon, let u. Ang u natin ay 9x. Du natin is 9 dx. Very good. So ang gagawin lang, si 9x, derivative is 9, multiply mo lang ng dx. And then after that, saan i-multiply? Very good. Sa 1/9. Okay, so 1/9 natin siya i-multiply. So we will have 19 du is equal to dx na lang kasi cancel na to. So now, ang 9x papalitan mo ng u at ang dx ay papalitan mo ng 1/9 du. So I will have the integral of tangent u multiplied by 1/9 du. So yung 1/9 integrating factor ilalabas. So I will have 1/9 integral of tangent u du. So I will have 1/9 multiplied by, ano ba ang integral ng tangent u du? Kung mapapansin natin, dun sa ating formula, ang tangent u du ay ln of secant u plus c. So we will have 1/9 ln of secant u plus c. So I will have 1/9 ln of secant, ano ba ang ginamit natin na u? 9x. And then plus c. So therefore, the antiderivative is 1/9 ln of secant 9x plus c. Next tayo, letter H. Okay, so malinaw yung example letter G. So example letter H tayo. Ang u natin is 4x. Very good. At ang du natin is 4 dx. Saan i-multiply? Both sides sa 1/4. Okay. So now, magkakaroon tayo ng 1/4. Du is equal to dx na lang. Kasi na-cancel na to. So now, 4x, palitan ng u. dx, palitan ng 1/4 du. So magkakaroon ako ng integral of cotangent u multiplied by 1/4 du. Si 1/4 ilalabas, so I will have 1/4. Okay? 1/4 integral of cotangent u du. So balikan natin ang formula ng cotangent u du. Ang formula ng cotangent u du ay ln of sine u plus c. ln of sine u plus c. So therefore, in this case, I will have 1/4 ln of sine u plus c. Ano ba ang u natin? 4x. So I will have 1/4 ln of sine 4x plus c. And this is our antiderivative. So nakukuha naman. Okay? Nakukuha natin. So gaya lang din ang ginawa natin sa exponential rules, same lang yung process. So formula lang nagkaiba. Okay? Let's have a last example. So we have secant 3x dx. Okay? So ano nga ba ang formula sa secant 3x dx? Or ano nga ba yung pattern natin dito? So we have ln of secant u plus tangent u plus c. So ito yung susundin natin na formula. ln of secant u plus tangent u plus c. Okay. So in this case, una munang gagawin ay magle-let u tayo. So our u is equal to 3x. And du is equal to 3 dx. And after that, imumultiply natin siya sa 1/3 both sides. Okay? So magkakaroon ng 1/3 du is equal to dx kasi cancel na to. Okay, now, so yung 3x papalitan natin ng u at ang dx ay papalitan natin ng 1/3 du. So I will have the integral of secant u multiplied by 1/3 du. Okay? So after that, yung 1/3 natin, ilalabas lang natin. So magkakaroon tayo ng integral of 1/3 integral of secant u and du. And then after that, we will have the equals 1/3 multiplied by, ano nga ba yung secant u du? That is equal to ln of secant u plus tangent u plus c. So papalitan lang natin yon. So we have ln of secant u plus tangent u plus c. So I will have 1/3 ln. So papalitan lang natin ng kung anong ginamit natin na u. So magkakaroon tayo ng 1 ln of secant 3x plus tangent 3x plus c. And this is our antiderivative. Okay? Okay, so that's all for our online lecture in the antiderivatives of trigonometric functions under the subject basic calculus. I hope may natutunan kayo sa lesson na ito at kung meron kayong mga katanungan, just put it on the comment section or i-PM nyo si Sir Aala. And thank you for listening and goodbye. Ingat palagi.